All right guys, now that the craziness is mostly done, I wanted to take a moment to go ahead and enjoy unboxing every color of the new iPhone XS and XS Max and my new stainless Apple Watch in gold finish. So I've already unboxed the gold XS and XS Max, but I also wanted to do the space gray and the silver as well. So the iPhone 8 was a little bit more variety last year, seemingly, but still wanted to do these. Okay, so this is the space gray, and it's really nothing different from the usual iPhone X. Same shimmer. From the outside, I mean, they're so similar. I can see how someone would pick this up and be like, wow, there's almost nothing that's changed. I have no reason to upgrade from an iPhone X. But most people that are buying these are pretty much upgrading from old iPhone 7, 6S, 6 models from what I hear, and it's a huge upgrade for you guys. So pretty cool. I like the size, but it already feels small compared to my XS Max. And I'm gonna place these here because these belong here. And my personal XS Max, which I've already set up, belongs here. All right, so I'll pop this one out. This one here, and the silver. So you may be asking, why do I need so many iPhones? Well, you never know what could happen. There's always some different video to make. A jailbreak comes out. I keep them on certain versions. It's always good just to have backups. And of course, I'm giving one away to you guys, the gold iPhone X, or the XS, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, here is the Max in the silver. I think the plainest of the colors does the job. Yeah, so there's that one. And the silver XS. And literally feels like tiny, tiny phone in my hand now. After one day, the XS Max seriously feels so natural. I was a little scared of it being a little too big, but it's perfectly balanced. It's pretty light for the size too. And the XS. So there are these bad boys. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Apple Watch Series 4. I have been waiting for this moment for so long. Okay, not that long, maybe a couple weeks since the Watch Series 4 leaked, but this has been the most beautiful design ever. And I finally get to wear this piece of engineering on my wrist. Now, honestly, this thing may be expensive for some. I mean, it's not the cheapest, but I feel like this is so much more worth spending the money on than on the iPhones. Beauty of a design. So it's got a interesting new setup here for opening it. What is this? Look what, oh, okay, you fold these out, all right. All right, ooh, nice. That's some nice packaging. So now they've separated, by the way, so the stainless don't come in a cube type box anymore. They're all in the same style packaging for efficiency. So the bands are separate here. Be sure they're exactly the same as before. Maybe a slight color change. And yeah, so this is the standard. This is almost the same color as my Series 2 was. I liked it a lot. I had the rose gold look. Okay, so there's that. And what I've been waiting for. So before I touch that, just want to see what it comes with. It does come with the more premium feel, the stainless charging pad, but it doesn't come with the actual base, the circle base, and a standard 5-watt adapter. So no fast charging here. No small Apple stickers, sadly. But okay, here it is. Nice, comes in this little felt case, 44 millimeters. Tinier than I expected, wow. Actually, literally almost the same size as the existing 44. Yeah, that's literally like almost the same size. So actually I have my designer here. When this thing leaked, we were trying to design the shape, and it was so like rounded. We were having a lot of trouble with that in our modeling program. So actually looking at it up close, you can see all the tolerances and what we did wrong anyways, but we were pretty close considering we had designed it like, what, in like 6 hours? Yeah. That was a pretty awesome feat. Okay, anyways, so I love the back. This thing looks like an Android. It doesn't jut out as much as old one. I'm actually gonna take this off for comparison. So look at that. It looks so much cleaner, sophisticated. What a beautiful piece of machinery. This one's a lot more rounded. I love, love, love the design. The speakers on the side, 50% louder speakers, and yeah, a lot more screens. So I'll be able to tell more when I set it up. I do love how sleek the crown is now. Beautiful design. And the color to match the iPhones. It is a 1-to-1 color match. It looks beautiful. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and set that up. So I've been using this thing for a little while and I've set it up to display all the information that I want. And wow, there are so many watch faces here, complications that's, I really don't know what to do with all of them. Now, a couple things that I do appreciate is the reduced thickness of this watch. It seems a little more comfortable on the wrist, and I like the haptic feedback with scrolling now through menus. Super, super awesome watch. Not to mention how beautiful it is. It's like a little pebble on your wrist. So I do like that a lot. Definitely my favorite Apple product from this year's release. So that's the Apple Watch Series 4. All right, guys, now that I got this out of the way, we're gonna be doing the speed test, camera test, all the usual stuff. So stay tuned for all of that. Very excited to see the results from the new iPhone XS Max. All right, peace.